Hey, how's it going, guys? And welcome back to an episode of Life Made Easy. And today, guys, I'm going to be just discussing a consideration I have for making a second gaming channel called Life Made Easy Gaming. I haven't fully thought this through, but I thought I'd make this video just to discuss it, and I want to hear your feedback on it. But before this video starts, I just want to let you know that I'm having a discount on my merchandise shop on Teespring. I am just use code LIFE, capital LIFE, using that promo code at checkout, and you can get yourself $3 off any purchase you want. So with that out of the way, make sure to go check out the link down in the description to check out my merchandise store. Most of the stuff is really affordable. I don't charge you guys like hardly anything for that stuff. So with that being said, let's hop right into the main discussion, and that is creating a second gaming channel called Life Made Easy Gaming. Now, I haven't fully thought about this, and I haven't like fully planned out everything. That's why I want to hear your feedback on this, guys. So basically, I've always been interested in having like sort of like a gaming channel, just someplace I can like live stream. And I have live streamed on Mixer, I have live streamed on Twitch, but I'm not a huge fan of it for some reason. I don't know. I like using YouTube so much. I'm not as big a fan as like having separate platforms for that. Twitch is fine, but like I find it's really hard to like gain viewership and all that, and I just find live streaming on YouTube is like much easier to get an audience, since like so many more people are active on YouTube, and when you live stream on YouTube, it notifies all your subscribers that you went live. So that's a big thing I enjoy, and it's really easy to monetize your content on YouTube, and it's also really to get super chat when you have over 1,000 subs and you're live streaming. People can donate to you and all that stuff, and you can do that on Twitch as well, but I just find it's harder to gain an actual big following on Twitch, just because like I'm so heavily invested into YouTube. I'm not an expert at Twitch live streaming and all that. I'm very familiar with YouTube live streaming. I've done it in the past. The game changer here, and the reason I'm considering all this, is because I just went out and bought a capture card. I made a video a couple days ago, saying if you guys left 30 likes on the video, I'd go out and buy a capture card, because I've always wanted one. I just never had the money to afford it, and now I do. So I went out, bought one. I got a great price on one off Mercari. I got a mirror box game capture HD. It's not an Elgato. I didn't want to pay like over $100 for it, but I got it for a great deal, great discount off a guy on Mercari. It was like basically like new condition. Guy like barely used it, and it can record 1080p 60 FPS gameplay on consoles. So I'm gonna use it to record some gameplay. Obviously in the background I have gameplay, but you guys can clearly see it's not like up to par or up to standards with the current standards of like what people want to watch. It's not as like clear, and so it gets a little hazy and it kind of drops frames every once in a while. That's because it's coming from a live stream, and you can tell the frame rate's not that great overall. So yeah, got that for a great deal. I got it for like what, $60 or something, when it normally goes for $100 on Amazon brand new. So happy about that. And I was just thinking, I can use this, I can live stream on a second channel, I can gain a following on there by just promoting it on this current YouTube channel, because I know a lot of you guys want to see me play games and stuff, but I always tell you guys that this isn't a gaming channel. I want to focus more on technology and product reviews and tutorials and stuff like that. So that's what I want to do. I have streamed to Twitch in the past, just not a big fan of it, and I want to stream to YouTube just because I think it's easier getting a following here, because I already have such a huge following on this channel. I can easily promote a second channel. So guys, with that being said, I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave me your thoughts down in the comments section, thoughts on creating the channel, what you would like to see me do, all that good stuff, because I want to like plan this out, and I want to get the best feedback possible from you guys. So yeah, let me know what you want to see. Let me know like logo stuff, all that, and basically, yeah. If you're new here, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, all that good stuff, and make sure to go check out my merch store for that $3 discount going on. It expires next Monday. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.